Well, hey, you guys, and welcome. I'm Dr. Kevin. I've been a veterinarian for 40 years, and I'm a pet longevity specialist. Here's one thing I'll bet you didn't know, and that is that current science suggests that your dog could live up to 30% longer than expected. What's that take? An intimate knowledge of longevity science, correct veterinary care, and lifestyle. But here's the deal, you guys, 30%. That's over 2 years for most breeds of dogs. So why aren't people paying more attention to that? I don't know, but I will tell you that I've integrated every bit of that science into my dog longevity protocol, and you are welcome to come along. Let's talk about that longevity science for just 1 second. Over the 40 years that I've been in veterinary practice, I have been passionate about integrating the latest in longevity science into the daily care of the patients entrusted to me. Whether it be simple things like diet or exercise or supplements proven in my veterinary clinics and on PubMed, all the way to prescription longevity drugs, I will do whatever it takes to help your pet live their longest and best life. Let's talk about those prescription longevity drugs for just 1 second. Most folks have heard about rapamycin, and for good reason. Heck, it's been proven to increase lifespan by up to 14% in every mammal species studied to date. How does it do that? By reducing cancer incidence and by reducing inflammation. Most folks, however, don't know of its little brother acarbose, which has been proven to increase lifespan by an additional 5 to 7% in male dogs alongside rapamycin. But here's the thing, you guys, and I'm going to preface this by saying I love veterinarians. Been one for 40 years, worked with some amazing people. But I will tell you this, most veterinarians in daily practice do not have the time or the knowledge to sit down and talk with you about how best to help your pet live their longest life. They simply are too busy fighting fires or giving vaccines, and they're under pressure by corporate bosses, and they just don't have the time or the knowledge to help you help your pet. But here's the thing, I do. So let's talk about what correct veterinary care is. Correct veterinary care should be centered around 2 things in particular. Number 1 is reducing inflammation, and there's nothing more important to helping your pet live their longest and best life. Why? Because cancer is caused by inflammation, and inflammation has been also proven to shorten lifespan in every species studied so far. So what are the most common sources of inflammation for your dog? Well, there are 3 that we pay attention to. First off, if your dog is under 30 pounds, dental disease is the primary source of inflammation that you need to worry about. Conversely, if you have a dog over 50 or 60 pounds, it's orthopedic disease that is the biggest problem. And for all dogs, allergies play a role. I'm going to circle back around to the dental component for just 1 second, though, to tell you that if you have a dog under 30 pounds, please take that dog in once a year for anesthetic dentals with x-rays of every tooth in their body. If you don't, your dog will likely be in daily pain, and their lifespan could be shortened by up to 15% due to chronic periodontal disease. The second component of great veterinary care is diagnostics, and every dog over 5 years of age ought to have yearly diagnostics done to assess their current health and act as an early warning system for problems coming down the road. That diagnostic care should consist of blood work, in particular a complete blood count, chemistry panel, thyroid check, and increasingly, we believe that early cancer diagnostics are a great way to head cancer off at the pass. We should also get a urinalysis on your pets to check their kidney function and their bladder health. So, coming down the home stretch here, let's talk about lifestyle for just 1 second. And in particular, there are 2 different things that you can bring to the table at home. First off, everybody talks about the benefits of diet and exercise, but did you know that there are types of exercise that will specifically shorten your dog's life by increasing the wear and tear on their joints? And likewise, did you know that there is one particular diet that's been proven to extend large dogs' lifespans by 2.3 years when compared to kibbles? Most folks don't, but I can help you. That's what my dog longevity protocol is all about, guys. we can work together to bring the best in longevity science, the best in home care, and correct veterinary care to make your pet just as healthy as possible for as long as possible. I would be honored to help you. We're all in this together. My name is Dr. Kevin. I run helpingpetslivelonger.com, and that's exactly what I try to do. You guys have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.